Hello guys, welcome back to Moneelovesglam. I hope that you all are having a beautiful day. I am going to show you all how I transform this vase that I picked up from Goodwill a while ago. I have used this vase over time to keep flowers in and different decor ideas, but I decided today that I was going to give it a total makeover and make it something really new that will fit into my decor. If you're interested, then just keep watching. First, we're going to get started with the hot glue gun and parchment paper. I just want you all to go ahead and squeeze that hot glue gun into whatever design you think that you want to do. I just did some random circular lines, up and down motions, crisscross, for a nice little pattern. And you want to make sure that you do this to cover the area that you need to cover. So basically you just want to make sure that you make enough of your pattern to cover whatever decor item you're trying to cover. I actually made one sheet and then like a half of sheet to cover that vase that I showed you all earlier. And you just want to keep going until you have your desired pattern. And this hot glue dries really quick, so just give it a chance to dry. And then you want to just go ahead and peel it off of the paper. Just take your time because it is a little sticky. But I just want to reiterate, make sure you use parchment paper. I tried this with wax paper and it did not peel up easily. So make sure you all use parchment paper. And then just go ahead and peel it off. Nice and smooth and easy. And this is what you will end up with, something that looks like this. Now guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and give that vase a nice coat of spray paint. I have been the spray paint queen lately, changing the colors of everything to fit into my decor scheme. So just give that a nice coat of spray paint. I am using a Rust-Oleum Paint Plus primer in a white color. And make sure you spray paint in a well ventilated area. So I took mine outside to go ahead and give it that nice coat of spray paint. When you're done spray painting this, you just want to go ahead and sit it to the side and let it dry. I let mine dry for about 40 minutes. Now I'm coming back with my designed hot glue. I put it in the box, and I also went ahead and gave that a nice coat of spray paint. I painted a metallic silver. So you only need to do it on one side, the side that's going to be showing on your decor item. Now you guys should know by now that I am so extra, so I decided to bling up the bottom and the top of this vase. So I am just using some Mod Podge and this crushed glass that I got from Michael's, and I am just gonna go ahead and put some Mod Podge right there on the bottom and sprinkle it with some crushed glass. Doing this project inside of this little plastic bin was so easy because it was really easy to scoop up all of that excess crushed glass that landed in the bucket and just slide it right back in the container for future use. And not as if blinging up the bottom was enough, I went ahead and blinged up the top part of this vase also with that crushed glass. So that is a look at what the top looks like and what that bottom looks like. I think this is looking so good so far, guys. What do you guys think? Now I'm just going to take my handy dandy spray adhesive, and I went ahead and sprayed the back of the hot glue design. And I am just going to go ahead and place that right onto the vase. That spray adhesive worked so well. It just stuck right to the vase. Very clean, very easy. It was really, really windy outside. As you can see, my little hot glue is blowing in the wind. So you just want to go ahead and make sure you get it placed on there to your liking and just kind of press it down. And I guess because since it's already glued to, it stuck really, really easy. And I just pressed that down onto my vase. I ended up with some excess hot glue design at the bottom. And the good thing about this, it is so pliable and flexible. So I just cut off what I didn't need on the bottom and then just repositioned it somewhere else on the vase that I felt that needed to be filled in. And like I said, I did do 1.5 of these, so I used that other half to fill in the space right there on the side that you are seeing right there. And just take your time, play around with it, and get it exactly how you like it. Guys, this is what the finished product looks like. I went ahead and styled this right there on my entryway table. This is a close-up. I think that this project turned out so beautiful. It looks so good. It actually looks like metal when you look at it from afar. And I went ahead and threw some faux spring flowers in there. And this is what it looks like styled right there on my entryway table. I really, really love this DIY. Guys, I hope you like this video. I hope that you use this concept of creativity and design something that works for your space. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your family and friends. See you next time. Bye.